Breaking news: Jack Doherty, once one of YouTube's loudest and richest prank creators, has officially hit rock bottom. The same influencer who built an empire through wild stunts, flashy cars, and controversy is now back at his mother's house, broke, banned, and begging for followers. But how did one of the internet's most talked about creators lose everything? Let's break down the shocking story. Back in 2017, Jack was just a 14-year-old kid with a camera and a dangerous formula for fame. Be loud, be reckless, and make chaos your brand. His early, public pranks quickly went viral. He'd provoke strangers, film their angry reactions, and call it comedy. And for a while, it worked. By 2019, he was making up to $60,000 a month from YouTube alone, plus sponsorships from energy drinks and mobile games. It was fast money, and it fueled a lifestyle that spiraled out of control. Soon came the rented mansion, a $315,000 McLaren, a $500,000 Lamborghini, and multiple G-Wagons. His teenage audience believed he was living the dream. But the truth? It was all built on shaky ground. As YouTube tightened its rules and brand deals started drying up, Jack searched for new income and ended up exploiting the people closest to him. He launched what he called a talent management company, but in reality, it was a way to control and profit off young women. His then girlfriend, McKinley Richardson, later exposed him, revealing he pressured her into adult content and took up to 70% of her earnings. When she finally left, she took control of the business accounts, leaving Jack with almost nothing. And instead of moving on, he went live on stream, crying and ranting, turning his own breakdown into more content. By 2023, the money had dried up, and Jack turned to something even worse, crypto scams. He launched a meme coin, convinced his young fans to invest, and then dumped his tokens, cashing out over $1 million while his audience lost nearly $3 million combined. It was one of the most blatant rug pulls of 2024. But the biggest crash was yet to come, literally. On 15 October 2024, Jack was live streaming on Kick while speeding through Miami in his McLaren during a heavy storm. At nearly 80 miles per hour, he lost control and smashed into a barrier. The crash was so violent that airbags exploded and the car was totaled, but Jack kept the stream running, asking viewers to smash the like button. That moment ended his career. Kick permanently banned him for reckless endangerment. Sponsors pulled out, costing him nearly $2 million in brand deals. And with lawsuits and unpaid debts piling up, Jack's luxury lifestyle came crashing down. Within months, the mansion was gone, the cars repossessed, and his so-called empire erased. Now, in 2025, he's back home, trying to rebuild through cheap stunts, fake giveaways, and collaborations with the Island Boys. But the internet isn't laughing anymore. People aren't watching for entertainment, they're watching his downfall. Jack Doherty's story is a reminder that internet fame built on manipulation and greed always comes with a price. He didn't just lose his career, he lost the trust of millions who once believed in him. Because when you treat people like content and money like a game, eventually, the game ends. This is Celebrity Central, bringing you today's biggest entertainment story. For more breaking updates on influencer culture and celebrity news, stay tuned.